Hello there! For this Halloween video, I'm going to make a chocolate haunted house. In fact, it's not only a chocolate haunted house, it's also a surprise box. So when people smash it, afterwards they find back on the inside gingerbread man cookies enrobed with chocolate. For this creation, I will use the Belcolade Selection cacao trays range to make the house and as well to enrobe the cookies. So stay tuned and I will show you how to make it. For the chocolate haunted house, we will also need to make a gingerbread man cookie. Therefore, we will mix all the ingredients together to obtain an homogeneous dough. I will leave it to set in the fridge overnight, and then the next day I will roll it out, cut out gingerbread cookie shapes, and we will bake it. So we will mix flour, butter, brown sugar, dark molasses syrup, salt, the spices, baking soda and an egg yolk together to have a nice dough. The gingerbread cookies are baked, they are cooled down, and now I will enrobe them with tempered chocolate with the Belcolade Selection Noir cacao trays. During the enrobing process, I will also put some decoration on top, like evil eyes, and this I will show you how to do it. Now that the gingerbread man cookies are finished, we can go for the actual chocolate haunted house. First of all, we need to make a drawing that looks nice for Halloween. Then out of this drawing, I will cut out a stencil. And with this stencil, we will then later on cut out the chocolate. What you need to pay attention of is when you make the drawing, we also would like to fit in the cookies inside the box, because later on you can smash it into pieces. So that means also the cookie needs to fit in. And that's why I will also make a smaller house that I will glue also on the back of the front panel of the house. But pay attention that the four walls, including the roof, have the same size. And that makes it more easy to cut them out. Afterwards, when we have tempered dark chocolate, I will spread it out on a baking paper. I leave it to set just until it's soft, and then by using this stencil, we will start to cut out the chocolate. So the rough base of the haunted house is ready. What I will do first, I will also smoothen it out a little bit by sliding this part on top of a warm marble. Then it is ready to paint. So we will start to spray tempered cocoa butter and chocolate over this chocolate haunted house to have a nice and equal dark color. We'll leave it to set, and then I will also close the windows of the haunted house with yellow colored white chocolate. And then we will put the cookies in the house. We will close it. For the floor of the haunted house, we are also going to use tempered dark chocolate. We will pour it into these frames. I leave it to set, and then I will cut it into a rectangle shape. After, when it sets a little bit, we will also give it some texture with a metal brush to give like a wood effect. And also with a knife, I will also carve in some design. Now that the haunted chocolate houses are finished, so I show you how to make it. On the inside we have gingerbread and cookies and rock the chocolate. And don't forget, the Belcolade Selection range cacao trays is perfect for making small sculptures, for molding and also to enrobe cookies. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and do not forget to smash to find out the surprise on the inside. Happy Halloween!